right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. It's time to put on the Thinborne case for the Pixel 10 and 10 Pro. Now, these cases are the exact same size. The phones are the exact same size, so the case will be the same size. So if you look on the back here, it's going to say 10 and 10 Pro. Now, for reference, this video is being recorded with the Pixel 10 Pro XL, so check out that quality. All right. So as you know, these do come with a tempered glass, but I've already got a tempered glass on here, so I don't need to install that. I showed you the install on the Pixel 10 Pro XL's video, so no need to do that. But what we'll do is we'll snap it with the Pixel Snap. I'm going to stop saying MagSafe when I'm dealing with Pixel phones. It's called Pixel Snap. Boom. So it works great. And just like on the Pixel 10 Pro XL, there's this cutout right here. So I don't see visually a 5G antenna or anything going on right there, but you know, I'm assuming that that's what the cutout is for. So you guys let me know if there's an antenna right there in that spot. Other than that, you've got your design here for the magnet, and it's just letting you know that it's there. You've got the raised lip around here for the camera so it can be protected. You can see that's how it's going to look. And then you have the cutouts here for all the sides here. Now these little slits here are definitely for taking the case on and off, but these cutouts are for purpose here as well, for the microphone and then the buttons and the Type-C port. So before you put your case on your phone, it's always good to give your case, phone a wipe down and put it on. Now these cases are for people who don't really want a case. That's what these cases are for. Because they are ultra thin and they will probably not protect your phone too much if it gets dropped onto the surface. There you go. So buttons are exposed, so you don't need to worry about if that's going to respond differently. And I've already shown you the tempered glass that comes with the Thinborne setup on the Pixel 10 Pro XL, so it works pretty good out the box. Here's all the cutouts and ports. Again, this is kind of awkward. So again, it's just going to stand out to me. And so I know officially what's going on there. And then here is the ports on the bottom. So real brief and to the point here. If you need to take this case off, you just push like this on the corners. And there's instructions, but that's how you take the case off. I use the camera module to do it, kind of like, I'll show you. You drop it in and you take it out the same way. So I push right here, and I pick my thumb and I push like that on the corners. And that's how you take all these ultra thin cases off. But there you have it, folks. That is the Pixel 10 and 10 Pro for the Thinborne setup on your new device. So if you're wanting to pick this up, there's a link in the description. Be sure to grab that, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.